Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? It is Saturday, March the 28th, early afternoon. I got done working out, went to the hardware store again to get some dirt. We're doing some planting outside, which maybe I'll do a video on that later. Hope everybody had a good week, no matter where you are in the world. My in-laws' retirement center is still in total lockdown. We can't go over there. We're not even allowed inside the lobby. So this video I'm going to put on my reference YouTube video in the comments section. It'll be video number 1. This is kind of a weird story. So, evidently China has been sending out some test kits, which I wasn't aware of. I mean, there's so much news going on, you can't possibly keep up with it all at one time. But evidently, according to this news piece, Spain, Turkey, the Ukraine, and the Czech Republic are all returning test kits to CHINA because they're faulty. They're faulty. They don't give accurate, predictable, and reliable tests. I'm assuming the video that I'm putting down below is authentic news, but take a look at it. So once again, Spain, Turkey, the Ukraine, and the Czech Republic are returning coronavirus test kits to China. Go figure. And don't forget to wash your hands. Love ya. Bye-bye.